Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. We are doing our February monthly reads and we're gonna start with our Sagittarians today. Let's see what comes up for our Sagittarians for February 2021. We'll have just a little look in your recent past and then the present situation and then your immediate future. And also we'll see the current energies, how the energies will be in this month of February. If this read resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If you hear anything in the background, those are my puppies, so they just woke up. I don't know why. I hope they sleep again. Otherwise we'll just have to pause the read in between. Okay, so let's see what comes up for our Sagittarians. Recent past, Sagittarians, recent past for our Saggies. Universe, please guide our Sagittarians for how the recent past has been. Looking towards a certain thing, maybe. I don't see love here for you, but possibly looking towards a stable situation. You're looking at a possible country setting that we can see. Just looking towards a happy home, trying to, not trying. I think you're pretty stable. Your intuition is telling you a lot of things. So in the recent past, yeah, your intuition is working pretty nicely, because with the Temperance here, I do see your intuition's working way too much. And you're getting all the guidance from divine, from the universe, whatever you want to call. Also, you're trying to balance out things. Maybe you're looking towards a certain thing and you're just thinking when that is gonna balance out, or how do I increase my income, because I don't see it in terms of love, but yeah, I do see that it could be in terms of your finances. You're just trying to settle a thing, but that's not a very strong energy. You are stable, so that's not a very strong kind of an energy that I feel. So let's see what is your present situation for our Sagittarians for February 2021. Present situation: contentment, peace of mind. Okay, so you have the Queen of Pentacles with you. Business is growing. The major card here is for this month, for this whole month, that's gonna be, you have the Queen of Pentacles in your hands. I mean, you have your business is flourishing. You have peace of mind. You are feeling very contented because you're having that flow of income. You're having that financial flow. And then you could be offered something. Someone could be offering you a certain thing, could be in terms of job, could be in terms of finances, or in terms of love. Take how it resonates. But you could be offered something by a certain person, and might not be very pleased to know that, because I don't see you very pleased that, yeah, this person's actually offering me something, but I don't know if I want to take it, because you are in your peace of mind. You're feeling pretty contented. So let's see what your immediate future says. So in the present situation, maybe you have already got this opportunity, or you may get it in some days, or maybe within this week, I would say. Okay, yeah, as I said, for most of you it's in terms of love, because we do have the Two of Cups, but it's in reverse position. So the other person could be asking for some kind of a committed relationship, but then you're not very happy about that. You don't want to connect with this person. You don't want a possible officially committed relationship with this person. That might lead you in some kind of a loneliness phase here, um, because you feeling sad about, you will feel a little bit sad about this thing. Whosoever the queen that is gonna come in your life, or that is gonna offer you the cup of love, you're not very pleased to know about this person, because maybe I don't see that you're involved in somebody else, but your mind is just not ready right now. You're not ready for a committed relationship, you're not ready for a marriage for sure. And this might lead you in some kind of loneliness, because this person could be close to you, and you have a very, with a very with a lot of feelings, I won't say negative, but a lot of hurtful feelings. You have to say no to this person, and you have to end this thing. This relationship is gonna end. There's absolutely nothing left in it. You will be ending this relationship. It could be a start of some new beginnings for you with some other person. So there are two things. There's an ending, and then there's a new start. And both of them are happening almost simultaneously. Whatever you are being offered, you don't want that, because you want something else from some other person. This could be a businesswoman, or this could be a certain person who's pretty stable in their life, doing a good job or having a good career, and you'll be happy with that person. So it's a beginning with that person, but an ending with a certain person who's coming towards you with their cup of love, who's actually gonna approach you and ask you out, and you're just gonna say no, because it could be a friend, it could be anyone. So that is your read, Saggies. I'm just gonna see the overall outcome for the month of February, how the month of February is gonna be. Yeah, you're gonna make some kind of plans. You'll be sneaking out, and could be going to mountains, hills, or somewhere. So there's some kind of plan, some kind of hope, some kind of wishes that are gonna come true in this month particularly. And also in terms of business, it's pretty good. Financially, you're doing great. You have the Queen of Pentacles in your hand, so you're doing pretty good here. Also, we have, I didn't want to see that, but we have the Ace of Pentacles here. So Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, perfect read, Sagittarians. So if you're just listening to it for your finances, you don't need to worry, not at all. If it's in terms of love, again, you don't need to worry, but new beginnings are around the corner. Let's see what's the guidance from the universe for you guys. Universe, please guide our Sagittarians for the month of February 2021. Universe, please guide. Abundance, divine intervention, some kind of money agreements that you would be signing, and that's gonna give you a lot of wealth. Someone could be offering you their cup of love, as we see in the read before, or you are actually going towards a certain person that you're resistant to. You need some more confidence, so just gain some more confidence, because it is divine intervention. Divine wants to give you this thing, so you have to take a move. You have to move towards this person, and then only you'll be able to gain all what you want in life. Could be finances, could be anything. Yeah, that's what your read says, Sagittarians. Perfect. I was just laughing because it's divine intervention, and then it's the money agreement. So perfect in terms of finances and in terms of love too. That was your read. If it resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.